Welcome to the build plan, everybody. I'm Joey Jenrette, and I'm going to show you how to change out the EGR valve on my 2004 Dodge Ram 5.7 liter Hemi. Let's get to it. See if I'm not quite sure if it'll show the code. Just in the I don't want to crank the truck up because it's going to make everything hot, but there's my check engine light. And then if we go over here, diagnostics. Oh, it's got to connect first. Connected. Diagnostics. Read codes. Got an engine code. I don't know if you can read that because it's bright as shit here in Florida. But P0406. If you look it up, it's an EGR valve on the Dodge. And you can try to clear the code all you want. It says code's cleared successfully. But yet, where's the, there he is, check engine light. Alright, so normally on a standard 5.7 liter, you have the big air box that takes up all this area. Fortunately for me, I have the K&N cold air intake, you know, because it looks cool. Apparently it doesn't add anything horsepower wise. But that is the EGR valve. And it's two 8mm bolts. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Two 8mm bolts here, and then there's two 10mm bolts in the front that remove this. And there's a gasket here, and there's a gasket connected to the block. So when you pull these out, you gotta watch it. But my part that I bought from Napa come with two new gaskets, and you have to remove this clip to get, you know, to disconnect this. Had to walk away for a second. One, it's blistering hot outside here in Florida. Our humidity is ridiculous. It feels like I just got out of the pool without being in a pool. And I got a little 8mm socket stuck on the bolt and I can't get it off. So now that was my cue just to walk away and come get something to drink because I was ready to lose my mind. So taking a quick break, then we'll get right back to it. And also, if you watch YouTube videos for people to show you how to do things and they give you a guesstimated time of 30 minutes, go ahead and tack on another hour, because I guarantee you something is going to happen or something's going to fail. Jenrette luck every time. So go ahead and tack on another hour, and you won't disappoint yourself. We have 0 engine codes. Yes. No stored codes, no pending codes, no permanent codes. So that was it. It wasn't that bad of an install, but we got her in there. And with basic tools, ratchet, sockets, you can save yourself quite a bit of, money by doing the job yourself if you can handle the heat. Now we got to go to Napa and go pick up the fuel pump for this bad boy. See if we can't get it started today. And what's next on the build plan? Don't know. I'm pretty sure we'll find something. What's on your next build plan?